Good evening. My name is Abdullah Riaz, and you are watching Abdullah Riaz Official. So today I'll discuss with you about some last and final decision what the Turkey government had decided for the quarantine for the Pakistani peoples, Indian and other nationalities. What they decided today, I will discuss with you. So first of all, the things are going to be changed, and things are very complicated now for the travelers. And if you have a visit visa, from my opinion, if I'll give you my opinion, so this time is not good for traveling to you if you have a visit visa. And if you have a resident visa, so and if you have a property here, resident permit, if you have a resident permit, not only for the TRC resident is a very different residency. And if you have a resident permit from Turkey, resident permit means, I will discuss with you, resident permit means is if you have a property here, legal property, so you can enter in this country very easily. And you must have to stay 10 days quarantine at your home. Not like this, if you enter very easily here and you are free for quarantine, this is not valid. And some people are saying this, if you have a quarantine, you will go, I will give you a packages, 7 nights packages, 10 days packages. This is not a good things and good decision to you if you are a traveler. So from my opinion, if you want to travel here, please take a legal way. It's not an easy way to get 5 days or 10 days packages, and 7 days you will pay 7 days and you get 10 days package. This is not a good sign, because I visited one or thrice hotel, and inside the hotel, the government which we applied, the inside the hotel there is a policeman, and they check your all documents. If you are illegal, and you must have to take a 10 days reservation. And 7 days, after 7 days, if the government will be allowed to you, you will be go out, but you have to pay 10 days. You must have to pay 10 days quarantine. This is not a good sign. You will pay 7 days, and the other agents and the other people are saying this, you have to pay only 7 days, and the rest are my responsibility. So please, my suggestion is there, you will not take this kind of decisions and this kind of any travel agents if you have. So please do not take this kind of things, or this is not a good. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And the rest of things, if you are a student, so you have also a good chance to come here, but you will also have to stay 10 days quarantine at your residency. This residency which your university or your college will be approved from you, this residency. And if you have a TRC and there is a nufus, as you know, the nufus, I will tell you, nufus means the address registration. If you have a TRC, you have to register your nufus, and your nufus, when you enter in this airport, your TRC residency will be checked by the immigration. If the immigration will be checked and there is a nufus registered, so you will be go out very easily. But the problem is this, you will also take a 10 days quarantine. So this time is not good time for the traveler. If you're coming here, and you will take a quarantine, so please